I'm Avery Haynes at the University Avenue Courthouse, and I just want to show you the docket of all the cases that had to be heard before just one of the courtrooms that we've chosen, 4-7, here at the courthouse today. Pages and pages, everything from a dangerous offender hearing to a trial confirmation hearing. This is the same situation that played itself out here at University Avenue Courthouse on Friday when I was here covering another story. Tonight we want to look at a problem with the judicial system in this country, specifically a judge shortage problem.
Courtroom 4-7 was recently crammed with about a dozen lawyers, all trying to have their cases heard in front of one judge. On that day alone, there was an elder abuse fraud sentencing hearing, a drug conviction that required a mother to hand over her newborn infant before being sentenced, and sentencing of two men on a murder conviction. A slew of other lawyers also had small matters to address before the judge. Mr. Justice John McMahon looked around his packed courtroom and said Superior Court is down 6 judges because the government hasn't filled positions. Well, today the situation is similar. The docket for Courtroom 4-7 has 15 cases to be heard in one day alone.
Go back to the Attorney General for a response.
At Queen's Park, Ontario's Attorney General Yasser Naqvi acknowledged there is a problem.
Judges are important to make sure that cases are being heard, and I'm confident that the Federal Minister of Justice is aware of the pressures that it is creating, and she will take the necessary steps to appoint judges soon.
Superior Court judges are appointed by Ottawa, and they did recently fill a number of judicial vacancies, 5 in Ontario, but that means the province is still down 6 judges, many of them here in Toronto. This recent Senate committee report called Delaying Justice is Denying Justice warned that the lengthy court delays could mean serious crimes get tossed out, especially on the heels of a Supreme Court ruling that cases must not take longer than 30 months to be completed.
We are working, of course, very diligently with the bench and the bar on ensuring that there are no unnecessary delays in our court cases and criminal matters. There is a federal, provincial, territorial meeting that is coming up in a week's time where these type of issues will be discussed, and that will provide us for the opportunity to see what meaningful reforms we can bring to criminal law to ensure speedy trials.
Now, one of the challenges of filling these judicial vacancies is that the federal government has said it wants the bench to be more reflective of Canada's diversity. The Canadian Bar Association has been critical of the fact that they are still empty, saying that this is causing problems in the court system as well as for those who are seeking justice.